topic in this video is finding the quadratic regression equation. So we're trying to give you 3 points and to come up with what would be that parabola's equation, that function. I do recommend when you're watching this video that you pause, take your time, rewind if you need to. It is a very long problem. You will only be getting a few of these in your assignment. So here's what we give you. We give you a quadratic function that fits these 3 points. So we give you one ordered pair, 1, -5, another ordered pair, 3, 5, and then a last point of 4, 16. And these 3 points come up with in a function as a quadratic equation. So you could take the time if you wanted to go out and graph it and see that it really does fit a parabola. You'd graph the 3 points. I don't ask that you do that. You don't need to, but if you wanted to take the time, you could graph those points. What we're going to go and have you do is what is on this slide on. So I want you to identify 3 ordered pairs. Here's your x and your y. Here's your x and your y, and your x and your y. And I've created a set of boxes here. The first box represents the ordered pair. That's your first column. Your second column represents what you're going to plug in for your x and y. And then your third column is going to be your system's equation. All right, so we're going to go ahead and slide down. I did color code these a little bit here. The blue represents the y, and the red represents the x that we're going to substitute in. So now, in this case, our y equals -5. So that's going to be our left-hand side. Equals a, we're going to leave that alone. And now our x is our 1, and we're going to square that. Plus b, we're going to take that x again, which is 1, and then plus c. Now I'm just going to say clean it up, make it look nicer. So the left-hand side just stays as -5, and then I'm going to go 1 times 1, which is 1. So I get 1a. Or just a if you want to leave it alone. Then b times 1 is 1b, and then c. Now I'm just going to create it over here as a plus b plus c equals -5. There's our first equation. It's, remember, a 3-dimensional equation. It has an a, it has a b, it has a c. All 3 are unknown. All right, let's go on to the next row. We're going to substitute 3 and 5 into that same equation. So our y is 5 equals a, and now our x is 3, so we're going to substitute 3 in for x, plus b, use that x again, which is 3, and then plus c. Now let's clean it up. So the left-hand side just stays as 5, a, and now 3 times 3 is 9, plus 3b plus c. So 5 equals a times 9 is 9a, 3b, 3c. I'm going to write in the same order, 9a plus 3b plus c equals 5. So here's our second equation that we're going to use later. We have one more left. Our last row is that third ordered pair, 4, 16. So we're going to substitute in the same equation we've been doing already. So my y is 16 equals a, replace the x with the value of 4, replace the x with the value of 4 again, and now simplify that equation. So left-hand side stays as it is. 4 times 4 is 16a plus 4b plus c. So on to the right, 16a plus 4b plus c equals 16. I'm going to stop there. It's about 5 minutes long. We'll continue on the next video.